Ruma municipality is located in the center of the flat and fertile SIRMIUM, situated between Danube and Sava rivers, at the foot of Fruška Gora mountain. It covers an area of 582 square kilometers, which is inhabited by about 56,000 people, half of which live in Ruma and half of which live in the remaining 16 settlements. Ruma is located between two of the largest cities, Belgrade and Novi Sad, and only 30 kilometers from the Nikola Tesla airport. Ruma has major industrial, cultural and tourism potentials. Through the periphery of the urban area of Highway E70 and the Railroad Corridor 10, the municipality of Ruma is connected with the Western and Southeastern Europe. An important road and highway is M21, Novi Sad-Shabac, which could be part of the Temišvar-Dubrovnik highway in the future. Southern border of the municipality is the River Sava, whose length is 37 kilometers, and which will, through Šabac and Sremska Mitrovica port, enable water transport and consequently access to economy. The most important resource for further development of the municipality are 7 industrial zones. Industrial zone, Ruma Junction Zone, is located at the crossroads of the E70 and M21 highway, Novi Sad-Šabac. It stretches over 238 hectares and is owned by the municipality of Ruma. Detailed regulation plan covers the entire surface of the work zone. Ruma Junction Zone is equipped with electricity, water supply network. It has access road and the project of implementation gasoline is in progress. The zone is divided into blocks with service road within the blocks, and it can perform all activities except the production and transportation of hazardous materials. Plots are ranging from 1 to 50 hectares. Industrial Zone West is fully equipped with infrastructure and is owned by the municipality of Ruma. It covers an area of 195 hectares, out of which 97 hectares are covered by documentation. It is situated between the regional road R106 in Sremska Mitrovica and M21 highway. In this industrial zone, some of the most important industrial facilities like Mitas and Ruma Plus are already operating. While at the moment British Agena Insert Ltd, a company that manufactures the upper parts of shoes for the world's biggest brands, Adriana Tex, which operates within Calcedonia, in which swimsuits are to be sewed. Work Zone East stretches along the M21 road. The zone covers 42.5 hectares, out of which 40 hectares are covered by plan documentation. The zone is equipped with all the necessary utilities and transport infrastructure. Plan documentation predicts using this zone for developing small economy, trade and transport facilities. Existing commercial complexes, which are primarily represented by domestic investors, are Frigožika Soko Ruma, Rumekon Ltd, Prometal, Evrotom, etc. Work Zone North covers an area of 19 hectares, out of which 3 hectares are covered by plan documentation. It is located along Borkovac Creek and borders are Iriški Road and M21 highway. The plan in this area is to develop economic activity in the scope of trade, catering and transport services. The choice of activities in this area must be strictly selected and excludes all activities related to production and transportation of bulky and toxic substances, as well as higher frequency of heavy traffic and everything that in any manner endangers the environment. The site is equipped with traffic and gas infrastructure. Work Zone South 1 spreads over an area of 50 hectares, and for this area plan documentation is not completed. It is situated between the railway, motorway, M21 and Vrbere settlement. This work zone is largely completed and the extension of the existing complexes is not possible. At this site, Andrijašević Transportation Company, Borovica Transport, Electrodistribution Ruma, Knitwear Industry Quick, etc. are located. Work Zone South 2 covers 390 hectares and the entire surface is covered by plan documentation. The zone is located between the corridors of the Belgrade-Zagreb-Kudus-Jelenci Canal Corridor and M21 highway. Ownership over this zone is combined, private and public. Infrastructural equipping of the work zone is in progress and all the necessary infrastructure is done the edge of the industrial zone. This is the largest work zone in the municipality of Ruma. In this work zone, Galenica Phytopharmacy and device for the treatment of wastewater are located. Work Zone 3 South covers 140 hectares and it has no plan documentation. A significant advantage of Ruma reflects in the large energy resources, electric power facilities which are almost unlimited, enabling dual supply which further provides security and stability. All industrial zones are gasified and thermal water temperature is above 60 degrees Celsius, existing in quantities suitable for exploitation as an energy resource that can be seriously considered. All settlements in the municipality of Ruma are supplied with water and covered with internet and phone lines. Significantly, investors who choose to invest in Ruma can count on maximum state subsidies for hiring employees.
Opština Ruma je zaista učinila maksimalne napore da investitorima omogući najbolje moguće uslove u Srbiji za realizaciju njihove investicije. Kao opština praktično napravili smo opštinske odluke kojima je omogućeno da investitor, pored dobijanja besplatnog zemljišta, bude oslobođen i plaćanja komunalnog opremanja ukoliko zapošljava određeni broj radnika. A ono što je Republika uradila za Rumu, to je da je odredila maksimalne subvencije za realizaciju investicija koje će zapošljavati radnike. Tako da ono što se dobije u najnerazvijenijim opštinama, a podsjetit ću, Ruma nije nerazvijena, može se dobiti i u Rumi i uz izuzetan geostrateški položaj ove subvencije, ono što daje opština, što daje država, mislim da su investitorima najbolja preporuka da se opredele za Rumu.
Several important investors have invested in the municipality of Ruma. Mitas, a Czech company that has successfully privatized the company Rumaguma, which is currently expanding its production capacity. A Gina company which is currently building a factory in West Industrial Zone and which will employ 20 employees and produce piston rods for Ford engines. A very significant investment is building a manufacturing facility together with an educational center under the name of Adriana Tex, which is part of Calcedonia Group and will be hiring around 70 employees. At the Borkovac excursion site and lake carrying the same name, one of the most modern sports facilities in the Balkans is being built, consisting of the Olympic swimming pool, tennis courts, volleyball, basketball, ice hockey and handball courts, providing opportunities for the development of sport and recreational tourism. Welcome to Ruma, the heart of Srem.